To set low heart rate alert on Galaxy Watch to detect abnormal drops in heart rate, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, next tap health, under measurement section tap heart rate, and then select measure continuously or every 10 minutes. As the example, we will select measure continuously. Once selected, the low heart rate option will be available. Tap the gray on off switch next to low HR until the switch turns blue to turn it on. If needed, you can adjust the BPM threshold. To do so, tap the low HR. By default, it's set to 40 BPM, but you can adjust it based on your need. As the example, if you are generally fit and used to a lower resting heart rate, you might want to raise the threshold slightly to 45 or 50 BPM. So your watch can alert you when it drops unusually low for you. To save the change, tap done button. With this setting, your watch will alert you if your heart rate stays below the selected level for 10 minutes at rest. Given to the function, you can use this feature to help you monitor your well-being by detecting abnormally low heart rate, which can indicate underlying issue like bradycardia. It's especially useful during sleep, after workout, or when you are unwell, because it will offer you a subtle but powerful way to keep track of your health. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.